3D rotating. So up to now we could use the rotate command, but it only rotates in 2D. So we'd have to orientate our XY plane to the, using UCS, and that would help us accommodate it. So the 3D rotate allows us to rotate in any three axes that we like. When we initiate the 3D rotate command, it'll actually bring up the 3D rotate gizmo. So let's go up to the modify tab, panel in the home tab, and over here we have the 3D rotate command. So when I click on it, it'll say select objects. I'm going to rotate this air duct around so the hot air goes out the back side. I'm going to pick on that object. I'll hit enter. Notice I get the 3D gizmo shows up. It has three different axes, each representing each axis. So the blue represents the blue. It's spinning around the Z. The red spinning around the Y, and the green spinning around, the red spinning around the X, and the green spinning around the Y. Now, all I have to do is pick on one of them. And I'll pick on one of them, and it'll turn yellow in color. Okay? I can spin it around dynamically, or I can throw in a particular value. And then I like to rotate it and spin it, and then you can kind of get the idea what angle you want. Here I want 180. I type in 180, I hit enter, and I've spun that around. I hit escape, and now I've spun around my ducking using the 3D rotate command. Remember, anytime I pick on an object, it tends to bring the 3D move command, but I can also right click on it and bring rotate. And I could also right click on this and relocate the gizmo. So maybe I want to set it to some corner or something like that. So I could set it to the midpoint, to center of the object. A lot of times you might want to move it to the corner, and then you can say, all right, let's pick on one of them. I'll pick on that, and you can spin it around type thing. Okay, so by default, when we go up to a 3D rotate, it picks it in the center of the object. And so now I can grab a hold of this one, and I can spin it around, and I'll say I want to go around 180, and it spins it around. I hit escape to get rid of the gizmo, and it spins it around. So this is 3D rotating.